Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing the BIG6 research model in order to help you with your upcoming research project. The objective of this lesson is to introduce to you the BIG6 model, and by the end of the lesson, you should feel confident in using the BIG6 steps to conduct your research in this project and in others in the future. The student objectives are 1. To become familiar with the BIG6 model, and 2. To apply what you have learned about the BIG6 model to your upcoming research assignment. There are many standards that align with what we will be doing with the BIG6 research method. The TEKS, or state standards, as well as the Common Core standards, cover research and research process. The ISTE Standard 3A refers to the knowledge constructor, where students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. And finally, the AASL Standards refers to exploring and developing personal curiosity. So what's next? The next step you should take after viewing this video is to take the online lesson pre-assessment. Then, view all other elements of the BIG6 presentation, including the video and handout, as well as the conclusion video. Good luck!